Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here this afternoon. As you know that a couple of weeks ago, we had a terms of reference for the multinational observer group with the co-leaders Australia and Indonesia, who then signed on that particular day. The only third co-leader was not there on the present on the day because His Excellency the High Commissioner of India was in Nauru. We're here today for India to actually put the signature to the terms of reference. So we have the three co-leaders who are now on board. As you said previously, that we are very privileged indeed to have these three countries as the co-leaders for the multinational observer group in Fiji for the 2018 elections. India, of course, is the largest democracy in the world. Indonesia is the largest archipelago democracy in the world. And of course, Australia is a good friend of Fiji. It's a leader in the Pacific region. And we look forward to, of course, them facilitating and indeed publicizing the ability of different countries and organizations to be able to participate in the observer group. And we understand already that certain observers want to be on the ground very soon. And we already have some applications for that. So for the purpose of this afternoon, we'd like to now sign the terms of reference between the High Commissioner, and then we can, of course, take some questions after this. Naka, please. Where is stand? Maybe just stand up for one of us. One each. We've only got three, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
Thanks.